All right, y'all. So look, this is the first thing that we got to do. I'll go ahead and show y'all the step-by-step process of how we about to go ahead and start hitting on the sneakers app right here together. Now, what I need you to do is just follow along. Now, these are the 4 simple steps that will help me. Now, when I started doing this process, this is what actually made me actually start hitting on the app. You know what I'm saying? Like, at first, I was just figuring, like, I make my account and, as soon as I get there on time, I should be able to hit on the app. Why not? But it was something I wasn't doing. You got to realize, Nike is a company, right? Nike does not want to sell to bots. Nike does not want to sell, honestly, Nike really don't want to sell to resellers. They want to sell to customers that's going to actually keep coming back and buying their product and actually shop with them. So what they're going to do, they're going to kind of vet out all the bots, whatever they figure out is not a real human. They're going to push all that out the way. Those accounts are not going to be the ones that make it. Those accounts are not going to be the ones that's actually going to hit an account. So Nike's looking for real accounts. So the first thing that you got to do, in my opinion, because this is what I actually hit, and I want to shout out DJ. DJ, I appreciate you, bro. You the one that actually gave me this tip, and it's been working ever since then. So shout out you, my boy. But I got to share it to the world because I need everybody to hit. So the first thing you're gonna do, you need to polish your account. You need to polish your Nike account. I know this is all these shoes are dropping on the sneakers app, but it's all gonna start on the Nike account. Their Nike account needs to be polished. All right. So when I say that, if you look at my Nike account right now, you see that I got my first name, last name right at the back. I think it said hometown. So you put your hometown. You want to make sure your account looks legit. It's a legit account. I mean, you are legit. So it's not about making it look legit, but make it look legit. Put your first name, last name, where your hometown is, and also put a bio. Simple as that. That's the first step. You need to polish your account, put a profile picture. You can't just have just a blank Avi and think that's just going to be what's going to help you. That's not going to help. You need to make sure your account is looking polished and it's established and looking good. So that's the first step, polishing your account. Now, see how, like I said, everything's lined up, first name, last name, hometown, bio, whoopty whoop. It's done. Also, I'm not going to go to this and show you my account, but you need to be locking in also your card information. Make sure that your address and everything is verified. Make sure your phone number is verified. If you have email, verify it, as well as your address. Make sure that's verified. And also, make sure your card information, just make sure your card information, everything is in here, your Apple Pay, and everything is locked into the Nike account. Also, that's going to transition over to the sneakers account. All that's going to just, go carry over. So you're good. Make sure your card information is there. That's going to keep verifying it. So that's the first thing, that's step 1, polishing your account. Your account needs to look good. It needs to look, looks established. The second thing, now, I don't know if a lot of y'all noticed this, but within the Nike app, it has an option to where you can follow their athletes, follow their sports, and follow pretty much anybody that's dealing with a Nike account. Anybody that has pretty much signed to Nike, you can actually follow them. So within the app, I'm about to show y'all. Go to, where is it? Go to, following. Yeah, go in here. You're going to hit follow. You're going to go to edit. Now, when you're in here, you're going to see that it has the sports. It has all the different sports. You got baseball, basketball, cross training, golf, lacrosse, XYZ. Everything is in here. You need to follow each one of these sports. Even if you're not interested in sports, follow the sports. Just follow. I'm telling you, follow every single one in here. Go to the products. Same thing there. ACG, Air Force One, big and tall. What's this? Maternity. Follow it. I'm telling you, go ahead. Follow every single thing in here. Sneakers, teams. Do I got everybody? You need to go in here. I'm talking about, you need to go in here. Click it. Every single collegiate team need to be checked off. Every single collegiate team that they have on here. MLB, anybody that got a Nike contract, sign them off. NBA, but you get what I'm saying, y'all. So you need to be doing this. You need to be doing this. Athletes, boom, boom, boom. Oh, sorry. Tennis. Everybody, y'all get where I'm going. Cities. Cities. Make sure that you are following everything on here. That's going to help out with the Nike account. It's establishing a real account. It's seeing that you're actually a human, you're a real person. So by the end of this video, the minimum it should be is 233 pages that y'all following at the end of this video. If you're following less, go ahead, follow more. If you're not following none, go ahead, follow 233. It ain't gonna take you too long. Just go ahead, start hitting it. You're gonna be set. All right. That's step 2, following each of these accounts. Simple as that. Just go in here and follow every single one. Now, the third step. Now, with the third step is what you're going to do is, now the third step, you're going to go ahead. You actually need to be shopping with Nike. You need to be shopping with Nike. You need to be actually going to the store. You ain't even got to buy too much. You could buy some socks, shirt, and you could buy some flip-flops, anything. You know what I'm saying? Just pull out your Nike Pass, and boom, you're going to pull it out, and you're going to pull this, and you're going to show this on the screen. I mean, you're going to show this at the checkout. And this is what's going to help you actually be able to go ahead and then start actually showing that you're a reputable customer, that you're actually shopping with them. You see, I've been a member since 2018. Your account probably don't need to be this old, but as far as I'm saying, it needs to actually, you know, have some history behind it where you've actually been shopping with them. Nike needs to see that you're actually, you know what I'm saying, a person that's actually been coming to the store and actually been, you know, buying their product. They want to see that you're a real human, that you're actually going to wear their stuff. And I started doing this, and when I started doing this process, I started off with like a couple pair of shoes. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all really my orders. Let's go back to when I really started this process. I'm gonna go all the way down, because I'm finna really give y'all details. So when I got hip to this, it was like I went to the store, I got hip to the process. I said, okay, I'm gonna go buy a couple things, some slides, a couple in-store things, and I bought these blazers. I went ahead and just bought some blazers. It was on sale. And then when I bought the blazers, I was like, okay, you know, let me just, I don't even think I tried nothing else after that. I was like, you know, I like Air Forces. Let me grab some Air Forces right there and there. No, not there. I grabbed some Air Forces. So I grabbed some Air Forces, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and just, you know, show that I'm actually just shopping with them. And then what happened was, bro, the next drop hit. This was just the random drop. I don't know if it was a shock drop, but this was actually a release of this, because I was at work. It was 10 o'clock. I just got paid on Friday. This was a Saturday release, I believe. And then what had dropped was a patent leather bread ones. Boom. Right then and there, I had hit. The first time I hit was the patent leather bread ones. And that was after I had did the process of following all the accounts, going to the Nike store, showing that I'm actually a customer, that actually show my face, and I'm actually going to be in, you know, actually brand their products. That's what actually helps. Nike needs to see that you're actually a real person. They like when you start purchasing the app, you notice how it says that it's cleaning out all bots and make sure, you know what I'm saying, it's filtering out all that. That's a real thing. That's not a joke. That's a real thing that they're doing. So from there, boom, I hit on there, and y'all finna see, I canceled them. I really wasn't a fan of those, but boom, start hitting. I go to the store. You got to start buying their products. To Teyana Taylor's, I start hitting Dunks. I'm talking about Air Jordan 1 lows. I go to the store. I buy the products. ATL joints. I bought those. Boom. Hit on the app. Cherry. I hit on those. I buy shoes. I'm actually a Nike customer, so I buy their product. Military Blues. Them still dead stock. Still ain't even wore them. The foams. Mocha ones. I bought those in store. Got them for $80. You have to show that you're actually a customer. You know what I'm saying? Buy their product. Whereas these you can't see the picture right here, but right here above this yellow sweatshirt was the Nike KOJP Dunks, the Dunks. You know what I'm saying? I'm hidden, striking. My account is hot. Olive ones. You got to go to the store. I even go to the store and buy my shoes. Cement threes. I'm hidden. And then copper ones. If y'all saw, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I bought the shoes. Nike sent me a second pair, and so I returned the other pair and got a free pair of shoes. So that was dope. And then I just hit the other day on the shock drop on the military. The legendary blues, the Columbia 11s. So I mean, I'm telling you, y'all, follow the process step by step, and you're gonna start hitting on this Nike app. This sneakers app. I'm not playing. This is a real thing. After this, you're gonna come back to the video and you're gonna be thanking me. It might take a couple weeks or something like that, because you actually have to put in the footwork. This ain't just something that's gonna happen overnight. So if you just expecting to just go in there and just boom, hit the button and you're gonna start striking, this is not gonna happen like that. You actually gotta put the footwork in, show that you're a real customer, and you know, shop with Nike. It's not like it's not like it's a bad company. We love Nike. Go ahead, just buy something, y'all. My bad, my screen doing a bunch. But yeah, that's how you finna start hitting on the Nike app. Share this video, like, subscribe, comment down below. I promise you, after you watch this and you do what I just told you, and you actually start shopping and you hit on the sneakers app, come back to this video and I want you to thank me. I want you to thank me, and I want you to, you know what I'm saying, continue to even spread the love. Share this to the next person so they can start hitting too. You ain't got to gatekeep this. Share this. Everybody got to eat B. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna go ahead eat me some pizza real quick. It's getting late. I'm tired right now. So I appreciate y'all watching. Go ahead, subscribe for me. Peace. Catch y'all next episode. We out.